Yes people, welcome back to the channel with me, Christian. I'm on my squeaky chair right now, which is lovely. If you're not subscribed, then do so. If you are subscribed, then I love you very much. Now today we're going to be learning a very simple, easy to do cardistry move that I created about 2 years ago, and this one is called Xolt. So basically this allows you to display a nice, good looking X formation that comes about in quite a cool way. So with that being said, let's learn it. Alright people, so this is how we do Xolt. So you're going to hold the deck in dealer's grip, and with the other hand you're going to perform swing cuts, but you're not going to hold the deck in a normal swing cut grip. You're going to hold it a little bit further on the edges, okay? Because the reason for this is you're going to be left with a few cards, about 5 to 10 in this hand, and you want to eventually spin this packet around, okay? So we're going to swing cut until we're left with about 5 to 10 cards in this hand. In this hand, we're going to place the middle finger onto this other corner. So we're going to regrip, and the first finger is going to be used to rotate this packet around. As this is happening, the left hand or the other hand is performing a swing cut. Okay, so we're here, we rotate, we're left in this position. What's going to happen now is a bit of a weird move in this hand, but you're going to do this. Going to rotate, and you're going to eventually hold this packet with the thumb and the ring finger, and then as you turn this hand, the ring finger is going to replace the thumb. So we're here, and we're going to rotate this packet at the same time that we move the hand this way. Okay, so get ready to move together. Now we're here. Now you're going to place this packet, and you're actually going to just push it so it stays in the left packet there. And then to complete the display, you're going to just move this card over and display. To close, bring the card back, strip it out. This hand moves over, and I like to do a sort of to finish. So one more time, done slowly. Yes people, so that was Xolt. Really hope that you loved it, really hope that you use it. Post videos of yourself performing on Instagram, be sure to tag me. And also if you haven't seen my previous videos, then do check those ones out, teaching some of my other original moves. So we've got a 4-card production that happens like a blossoming of a beautiful flower. That's pretty nice. And also a colour change where you change a playing card with your t-shirt. All those links will be in the description. Check those ones out. I've got nothing left to say except look after yourselves, subscribe, give the video a like as well, or a dislike, like do whatever you want, it's your life. And yeah, I will see you all next week. Take care.